No, charging more than 5% on your credit card and letting them report to the credit bureaus, to me, is going to overall drop the highest potential and credit score you could have got. So if you guys spend more than 29% on your credit card, it's automatically hurting your credit. It's automatically dropping your credit score. If you guys spend, to me, if you guys spend more than that 10%, you not hurting your credit, but you only getting a little boost, just a little boost. If you guys are more in that 5 to 10 range, they're going to give you a bigger boost. But when you guys are like that 5%, 4%, and 3%, you're really increasing your credit score a lot. Now, I don't care if you guys only spend 5% on your credit card. If you don't pay that credit card on time, you messing up your payment history at this time. Then you'll have a late payment. So make sure you're paying it on time and do not spend more than 5%. This is something I just live by and something I see a lot of people get a great boost. Even myself, that's how I really discovered it. I'm like, I need to tell people about this. I test my credit for so many things, and this is one of the things, just keeping a balance low. I see my credit score just shoot up a lot by just keeping a balance low on my credit cards. As soon as I max out my credit cards, spend too much on, they report to the credit bureaus, I see my credit score drop like 60 points. But as soon as I pay it off, here go my credit score 65, 70, sometimes even 80 points increase just by paying out my credit cards. That's why I never trip if for some reason I did not pay off my credit card in full, because I just know if you're not trying to apply for nothing this month, you good. All right, you just, as long as you pay your statement balance so you don't get charged any interest, you'll be good. But you can always pay down your credit cards, but not paying on time, a late payment can hurt you a lot. And that's one of the biggest things too. Just make sure you're paying at least the minimum balance, period. Pay at least the minimum balance. I know I say pay the statement balance by the due date. That's just to not get charged interest. Just so that they don't report you late to the credit bureaus, pay at least your minimum balance. And they can't report you late until you're actually 30 days late too. So for some reason you are actually late paying your credit card, just make sure you pay it off as soon as possible. Pay the minimum balance as soon as possible so that they don't report you late.